It seems that Nazi engineers were dangerously close to building a plane that would be invisible to radar and could thus change the course of the history of World War II. A prototype of the Horten Ho-2-29 aircraft was successfully tested before Christmas 1944, but after that the Nazis were unable to perfect the design or produce more prototype aircraft. A group of engineers attempted to rebuild this bomber, using the original drawings. It had a range and speed much greater than any known aircraft at the time, and was the first aircraft to use the stealth technology now used by the American B-2 bomber. German technological expertise was recognized during World War II, the Nazis being years ahead of the Allies in terms of military technology, think Panzer tanks and V-2 rockets. In 1943, the Nazis were working hard to develop new weapons as they felt that the tide of war was turning against them. The Germans were clearly at a disadvantage when faced with the speed and maneuverability of the British military aircraft, the Spitfire. So, in 1943, the head of the Luftwaffe German Air Force, Hermann Göring, asked the design engineers to produce a bomber that would meet the requirements of 3 of 1,000. That is, it would be able to carry 1,000 kilograms of equipment, be able to fly at over 1,000 kilometers per hour, and have a flight range of 1,000 kilometers. Two pilot brothers, Raymar and Walter Horten, proposed an aircraft design that would meet Göring's requirements. The center section was made of steel and would have used a BMW 003 engine. But the Horten brothers' most innovative idea was to coat the plane with a material made from charcoal dust and wood glue, a mixture that is believed to have absorbed electromagnetic radar waves. The two inventors believed that the material, together with the special shape of the material, would make the plane invisible to radar. It seems that the same method was used to create the first invisible plane, the F-117A Nighthawk, in the early 1980s. Until now, experts doubted that the Horten brothers could have created an invisible plane. But using the original plans, the arms manufacturing company Northrop Grumman built a full-scale replica of the Horten Ho-2-29, the entire operation costing around €250,000 and 2,500 hours to build. The result is this: the plane would not have been completely invisible to the radars used in World War II, but its invisibility was quite high, and it would have been fast enough to reach London before the Spitfires could intercept it.